机型 model. 机 means machine, engine, aircraft, or opportunity. As we only just learned in the last vocab entry, 型 means a mold, type, style, or model. 机型, hence, is a type of aircraft or a particular model of machine, which as it relates to our lesson is going to mean a model of cell phone. 通常 usually. 通 can mean many different things, but in this instance, it means to go through via, general, or common. 常 means ordinary, common, or normal. Therefore, 通常 can be thought of as two similar and reinforcing characters, expressing something as common or usual. Or 通常 can be thought of as a preposition preceding a noun, as in going by or according to the norm. No matter how you look at it, in either case, 通常 means usually or generally. 付 to pay. 付 means to pay or to hand over to. Some things we're all probably paying for would be, for example, house rent, 付房租, or to pay taxes, 付税. In the lesson's dialogue, the clerk informs Pipe that if he simply pays a $999 monthly fee, he can take a new cell phone home for free. 现在你只要每个月付999元，就可以免费把这只手机带回家了。支 major word for cell phone, watch. 支 is a major word or classifier for long, thin, inflexible objects like pens, guns, cigarettes, or as in the case of our dialogue, cell phones. As we discussed in the last vocab entry, the clerk refers to 这只手机, this cell phone. 号码 number. 号 individually means many things, but can maybe best be thought of as mark or sign. 码, among other things, means number. So when we say 号码, we're stressing that this mark that we're discussing is a numeral. By way of example, and in perfect keeping with our lesson, when here we talk about 号码, we're talking about, you guessed it, a phone number or 电话号码.